half square buttons.
Why?
No! No!
Damn!
Then you've just won $1. You just have to answer 1 billion questions. What is the Krabby Patty secret formula? Yes! Yes! Yes?
The Krabby Patty formula is the sole property of the Krusty Krab and is only to be discussed in part or in whole with its creator, Mr. Krabs. Duplication of this formula is punishable by law. Restrictions apply. Results may vary. Your ABS plus your mouth and your all elbow pushing off the most and check with American Civil War. It's even known as American Stock. The powerful Sicilian Rocky Happy America. The Krabby formula is the sole property of the Krab and is only to be discussed in part or in whole with its creator, Mr. Krabs. Duplication of the formula is punishable by law. Restrictions apply. Results may vary.
That secret formula or else
Plankton!
Maps
Plankton!
SpongeBob!
You can't do this, sir. Give me abs. I went to college! Ouch!
I wonder what's in that secret formula.
Count 12! Count 12! Your disguises can't fool me this time, Plankton!
Everyone at the head enhancement clinic said nobody would notice.
SpongeBob! Rip people's heads off.
Sorry, Mr. Krabs. I'm just trying to protect the secret formula.
That's no reason to scare away me money, boy! Just remember the most important rule.
No free napkins?
What? The other most important rule regarding the secret formula.
Only discuss the secret recipe with Mr. Krabs.
No! Rip people's heads off. As long as you do that, the secret is safe.
I always thought the most important rule was why do today what you can put off till tomorrow.
What is today but yesterday's tomorrow?
Huh?
So, never get sell your yes,
Aye, aye, Captain.